Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpi. Today I am going to brief about the topic which is an important topic of organic chemistry, which is Markovnikov rule. In this I will tell about what is Markovnikov rule, what are the mechanism of Markovnikov rule, and what are the reactivity of this halide which I have taken in this, and I will discuss much more example to explain this Markovnikov rule. So let's start. Firstly, what is Markovnikov rule? According to this rule, in an unsymmetrical alkene, negative part goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. Which means if we take unsymmetrical alkene, for example, this CH3 CH double bond CH2, it is known as propene. This alkene is unsymmetrical alkene. Why this is unsymmetrical alkene? Because in this double bond is here, and this carbon and this carbon number this and this, these two are attached to two different groups. For example, this carbon attached to two hydrogen and this carbon hydrogen as well as methyl group. So their neighbor is different. So these are known as unsymmetrical alkene. And this Markovnikov rule is applicable to that of unsymmetrical alkene or alkyne. Okay. In this case, when an hydrogen halide react, the negative part goes to that carbon which bear lesser number of hydrogen. For example, in this case, lesser number of hydrogen at carbon number 2. It means negative part means HBr if I have taken, then H plus and Br minus. Then H plus goes to that carbon which bear more hydrogen, and Br negative goes to that carbon which bear lesser number of hydrogen. So in this case, Br goes to that carbon which is carbon number 2. This is Markovnikov rule. This rule will be clear when I explain you the mechanism of Markovnikov rule. So before going to the mechanism of Markovnikov rule, there are certain key points which you have to remember. For example, first key point is it is applicable for unsymmetrical alkene. This Markovnikov rule is applicable to unsymmetrical alkene. And the second one is, in this case, HX addition take place. Markovnikov rule में addition of hydrogen halide take place. HX means hydrogen halide. Addition of hydrogen halide take place, and the reactivity of hydrogen halide is Hi is more reactive than HBr, then HCl, and then HF. In this case, Hi is more reactive to addition of unsymmetrical alkene. Why Hi is more reactive? Because I is bigger in size in comparison to that of Br, followed by Cl, followed by fluorine. So this bond can be easily break as it is bigger in size. So easily break, so easily react to the unsymmetrical alkene. So the reactivity order is Hi, HBr, HCl, and followed by HF. We don't consider HF in this case. Why? Because fluorine is more reactive compound and highly explosive reaction take place if we add HF. So we don't take HF in this case. If we consider the reactivity of hypohalo acid, for example, hypochlorous acid, hypobromo acid, hypoiodo acid, in this case, reactivity order is HOCl is more reactive than HOBr, followed by HOI. Why? Because we know that fluorine is fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. This is fluorine, this is oxygen, this is nitrogen. These are more electronegative compound. Most electronegative compound. Fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen, if they are present. In this case, there are oxygen. So, if we compare the electronegativity of oxygen and chlorine, then oxygen get partial negative charge and chlorine get partial positive charge, because oxygen is more electronegative than that of chlorine. Similarly, in this case, this is negative and this one is positive. This is negative, this one is positive. And we know that chlorine is more reactive than bromine than that of iodine. So the reactivity order is HOCl, then HOBr and followed by HOI in case of hypohalo acid. And in this case, negative part is OH negative, Cl plus is positive charge. Similarly, OH negative is negative, Br plus is positive, OH negative and I is positive. Now I am taking the example of Markovnikov rule. For example, I have taken propene. This is propene. 1, 2, 3. It is a 3 carbon chain and double bond present. 3 means prop and double bond, so it is known as ene, propene. In this case, if I add HBr, okay, H positive, Br negative. There are two routes followed to form the product. This one is route A and this one is route B. Two routes followed for Markovnikov rule, but the best product is that product, major product is that product in which negative part goes to that carbon which bear lesser number of hydrogen. For example, in this case, if this bond will shift over there, two possibility, this bond shift over there, this is, I consider if this is negative, then this is B part. If this will shift over there, this one is A part. Okay. If the bond shift over, firstly I consider A part. If this bond shift over there, then this will get negative charge and this will get positive charge. Okay. And the negative part, अगर ये negative होगा, then H goes to there and Br goes to there. And this one the product CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Because negative पे क्या आएगा? Positive charge. So H will go there, CH2, and Br goes to there, so Br. Similarly, if we take the route B, in this case, negative charge will come at CH2 and positive on CH plus. If negative get this CH2 group, then hydrogen addition take place at terminal carbon. So hydrogen is there, so methyl, and the bromide ion move over at the second carbon. So this one. But the followed path hai is that of B, in which B is a major product according to Markovnikov rule. This rule will be very clear to you by doing the mechanism of Markovnikov rule. So in this case, major product of this one, in which negative part goes to that carbon which bear lesser number of hydrogen. And this reaction is known as electrophilic type addition reaction. Why it is known as electrophilic type? Because in this case, the addition of electrophile. Electrophile take place. Electrophile means H positive ion. Firstly, addition of an H positive ion take place, followed by the addition of Br negative. So it is electrophilic reaction. Addition, why it is known as addition? Because in this case, this double bond break into a single bond. Double bond converted into single bond by the addition of H and Br. So it is known as electrophilic addition reaction. Now I am going to explain the mechanism of Markovnikov rule. Mechanism of Markovnikov rule can be explained with the help of addition of HX to that of propene. So addition of HX to propene. Step 1. Mechanism step 1 is, first step involves the cleavage of halogen acid. For example, HX. In the first step, it gets cleaved and form H positive plus X negative. This is the first step in which electrophile is generated. In this case, electrophile is generated. This is the first step. Okay. Now coming to the second step, step number 2. In step 2, this electrophile added to that of unsymmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene in this case I have taken is propene CH3CH double bond CH2, and electrophilic addition take place in step 2. Electrophile can easily attach to the unsymmetrical alkene due to pi electron. Due to presence of pi electron, this electrophile can easily attach to that of unsymmetrical alkene. There are two options, option 1 and option 2. Addition take place by two options. Firstly, I am discussing option 1. Option 1 is that if this bond will shift over there. If this bond shift over there, then it will get negative charge. In option 1, this will get negative charge. Positive charge over here, negative charge over here. This is option 1. At option 1, positive charge here, so this is positive, and negative, so it abstract proton at terminal carbon. This carbon is terminal, so it will get proton and there is a formation of a positive charge. So this is known as 2 degree carbon. In this case, there is a formation of a 1 degree carbon. If we take option 2, option 2 is reverse. This carbon will get positive charge and this carbon will get negative charge. If this is happening, then H positive ion move over there and there is a formation of a primary carbocation. And we know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, then followed by primary. So in this case, there is a formation of a secondary carbocation in option 1, and in option 2 there is a formation of primary carbocation. So option 1 is correct and option 2 is wrong. So after this is a step 1 where is the formation of a carbocation. And in step 3, this carbocation abstract this halide ion, remaining halide ion. And there is a formation of this product which is Markovnikov rule followed product. According to this, the negative part goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. Now I am going to discuss some few examples of Markovnikov rule. These are the examples which I am going to discuss. For example, example number 1. This is an alkyne CH3C triple bond CH. In this addition of HBr, HBr means H positive ion, Br negative ion. Negative part goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. In this triple bond carbon, here no hydrogen, here one hydrogen. So negative ion goes to that carbon which has no hydrogen. So CH3CBr double bond CH2. But reaction not stop over there because in this case there is further addition of HBr. And similarly, negative part goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. There are 2 hydrogen and there are 1 hydrogen. So bromine will get over there and hydrogen goes there at terminal carbon. So this is the final product formation. Okay. Similarly, if I take the example which is HOCl. Okay. In HOCl, as I have discussed earlier that oxygen, nitrogen, fluorine, these are more electronegative atoms. So oxygen get negative charge and fluorine get positive charge according to electronegativity difference. So formation is OH negative ion and Cl positive ion. OH negative ion, negative charge goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. So it will go over there. CH3, CH, OH or bond CH3 because double bond changes into single bond in electrophilic addition reaction. Why? Because in this case, this double bond, there are addition of a OH negative ion and Cl positive ion. So this is a product. Next is addition of water. Water can be written as H positive plus OH negative. Here negative charge is OH negative. Negative charge goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. For example, this one. CH3, CH double bond CH2 and water. In this case, H positive and OH negative. OH negative goes over there and H positive goes over there because negative charge goes to that carbon which bears lesser number of hydrogen. So this is the product. And these are all the example which I explained according to Markovnikov rule. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.